How's it going, guys? Welcome to a short episode of Project Porsche.
Well, I decided to try out some of these new aftermarket, much less expensive lifters that they offer for 924S and 944 engines. And so in a little bit here, we're going to take a look at what these aftermarket lifters look like and compare them to the stock lifters. But first, I thought I'd just show you quickly taking off the cam tower and how I took the lifters out and then went through the lifters quickly to test them to find out which one was bad. See if I can push on any of these lifters. Put the lifters in order where they went and started checking them to see that one's hard. Which one, if not one or more, were bad. That one's hard. That one's hard. That one's hard. That one's hard. Jeez, maybe that one's soft. I can feel it. Which is interesting because I thought it was going to be one of these ones. That one's hard. That one's hard. So that makes sense because there was one that was louder than the rest of them. I mean, aside from that, they all look, tops of them look alright. I think I might just buy one lifter.
So let's take a look at this lifter and see what it looks like.
I've got the bad lifter here, and I've got a measuring gauge just to measure it for the heck of it. I mean, it should be right on, hopefully, but...
So if a lifter goes bad in your Porsche, up until recently you only had the stock Porsche replacement lifters, which were like super expensive, $300 or $400 a piece, or finding a used lifter and going with those. But they started making these global Schmirgenbergen lifters, Kolben Schmidt.
Country of origin, made in China. I was hoping that they were made in Europe or Germany or something, but I guess for the price, you can't really expect a whole lot. There is the part number if you guys need it. But that's kind of a weird box. Is there just one lifter in that box? Holy shit. There is 4 in here. Are you serious? No way. Holy moly, you guys, there's 4 in here. Oh my goodness. Wunderbar. Alright, well, I have to be honest, I was totally not expecting this. I'm just opening this up to show you guys, kind of compare them. So the aftermarket one has a deeper dish in it. Besides that, they have like a slight bit of a chamfer on the bottom and the top edges compared to the stock one. Diameter seems really close. I mean, obviously it's supposed to be, but boy, I mean, for 4 of them, that's actually not bad. I thought there was only going to be 1 in there. There's the pinhole. Yeah, that looks the same. The pin on the new ones is different. The circumference of the pin, the top of the pin there, is slightly smaller than this one. So I don't know what's up with that. The hole for the oil to go through there looks about the same. And the sides of the aftermarket ones are not as smooth as the stock lifters. They have like a nicer chrome plated finish on the sides of them. For the heck of it here, we can measure them with the caliper. 38 millimeters exactly. 38 millimeters exactly. This one actually looks, the pin on the new one actually looks a little bit higher. Might just be an optical illusion though. These actually feel a little heavier, which a lighter lifter is good. I mean, to have the weight off the valve train technically gives you like a little bit of extra power, but yeah, I don't know, you guys. I was expecting to only have 1 lifter in this box, so I think I'll probably end up trying a whole new set of lifters. They're hard. I mean, they're pumped up like they're supposed to be if you push on them. So yeah, I was like, is that a hair or is that a scratch on the top? You can't feel it. I don't know what's up with that, but I mean, for the most part, they're smooth. It's kind of weird, but whatever, I guess.
I mean, I guess you could like put it on glass or something to see how flat the top is.
Maybe it is worth it to get 8 of them instead of just going with the one. I think I'm gonna end up ordering another set of these. So there they are, Kolb and Schmidt lifters. Well, I guess we'll find out once I put them in the car and get it back together how it runs and what it sounds like. But for now, I think I'm gonna maybe take a chance and get another set of these and then have 8 new lifters. I suppose the feathers are coming in, you know.